In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tables in Google Slides. If you've ever found yourself in need of organizing data in a structured format on your presentation, this guide will be invaluable. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google Slides. You can either type in the URL directly or find it through a quick Google search. Once you are on the Google Slides main page, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account linked to the file you want to edit or create. This is important because your access to the documents depends on the account you're logged in with. After you've signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see a collection of your existing presentations, as well as an option to create a new one. To start fresh, click on the blank presentation button. If you prefer to work with a pre-designed layout, you can choose from multiple templates available there. For this demonstration, we'll start with a blank canvas. With your new presentation open, look towards the top menu on your screen. Here you'll find the Insert option. Click on Insert and a drop-down menu will appear. Adding a table to your slide starts from this drop-down. Once it's open, look for and click on Table. As you select Table, you'll be prompted to choose the dimensions of your table. This is where you decide how many rows and columns you want. You can do this by dragging your cursor over the grid that appears. The standard grid will adapt as you select the size that fits your needs. If you're uncertain, you can always add or remove columns and rows later, so don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. Once you've selected the dimensions, click to confirm, and you'll find your table placed right onto your slide. From here you can resize and move your table to the desired position by clicking and dragging its edges. Google Slides makes it easy with their alignment guides to ensure your table is symmetrically placed. Now, to really bring your table to life, start populating it with your data. Simply click into each cell and type. For customization, explore the options for cell background colors, borders, and text formatting found in the top toolbar. This will help make your table not only informative but visually appealing as well. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a table to your Google Slides presentation. As you can see, Google Slides offers a user-friendly approach to creating structured content that complements your presentation. Make sure to save your work and feel free to explore other features that Google Slides offers to enhance your presentation experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for your next presentation project.